Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Lone Wolf Trading. This is the day three. Day three. Today is Wednesday. So I'm doing it. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm doing this in Nigerian time. So I'm in the night now. So today is Wednesday. So this is day 3 of the lockdown. Lock up. Sorry, I mean. So and again, congratulations to me. I passed my phase 1 account. So now I want to explain the trade I took today. I took 2 trades. One was SL, one was lost. And one lost, one TP. So for today, so what do we have? What I was looking at when markets open? Yesterday my TP was hit this yesterday. So now let me explain what I was looking at today. Today, yesterday I said we are bullish, that I saw markets changing because of what price came. I saw price was changing in what discount area. In this discount area, where I see it. So I know that okay, yes, we are continuing pushing up to for market to come to this side. Market is going to continue. I said my TP was around here for that yesterday trade. TP was around here. But today, when I look at market, I said okay, yes, market still have the chances of pushing up. So I was expecting price to push up to this side. So what was I looking? The first loss, like, let me say a week out, something like that, or yeah, I can't call it a week out, but it's a loss. Let me just call it a loss. It's not wrong entry. So what was I looking at? I saw this. This is what I saw. Price these 4 hours, this Asian session, this doing Asian session, this London session. So during Asian session, price came down, tested this SBR, okay, RBS, sorry, resistance becomes a support on 4 hours. Price tested that place. Let me move this so you can see. So you see this place. Price tests this place. So when price tests this place, let me mark it out. 4 hours. I'll make it 4. When price tested that place, I went on Okay, sorry. London session, because I woke up around, let me say, 1 hour or 2 hours before London open. 1 hour or 2 hours, because I remember. So now this is what I saw. I saw price Price reacted from this area, pushed up. I was expecting price to come My first entry was here, but market missed. Market missed. I was expecting to buy from there, but market missed. Not in this area, in this place, this area. When I wake up, I saw price like this, so market was coming over. Okay, this when London Asian close that 1 hour before. So I was expecting price to push into this area, but what happened? Market did not push into that area. It just tested. I believe it tested this side, and then pushed up. So when it pushed up, I was like, okay, maybe price is not coming to that area. Maybe price is about to use this place, because the reason why I also believe that maybe price is not going to come back is because of I saw this was fair value gap. Yeah, this fair value gap also gave me the impression that okay, price may just be that it's using, and again we have 50. So I wasn't expecting price to come down any back. So what happened? Yes, I was not expecting price to do. So I was like, okay, 1 hour key level reject. So I was expecting So I went there and I said, okay, I went out from around this area. I think I went on 15 minutes, something like that. Yeah, 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, I saw this. Area. I think, is it 15 minutes or 30 minutes? Something like that. Okay, yes, 30 minutes. I went on 30 minutes. I remember I saw something like, okay. Was it? Let me see. I think it was aligning with, yeah, good. It was that place. It was 15 minutes there. So when price came there, I entered from this area. What happened? Market stopped me out. It just went down and stopped me out. Like I was saying, price then came. I entered from this area, and then price just came 2 people sell. I was target was this area, just because I know that okay, price is likely to go there. That is where price is going to head to if it's going up. So what happened? Price came down, stopped me out, and when it stopped me out, it was going on. I thought maybe it was a wrong entry area, but I realized okay, when and I saw okay. So I went on what 1 hour. When I went on 1 hour, I saw this. I said, okay, maybe price wants to use this place what as liquidity. So I was expecting what price to come to this area. So price did not come there. Price just what swept this area and then what pushed up. And this is what happened. I realized what price tested. Price was using what this area. So now when I realized price was using that area and price pushed up, after pushing up, I went on what lower time frame to see maybe I can get what confirmation to what enter. So when I went on lower time frame, I saw this 14. I didn't see anything. This not on lower time frame. I saw something interesting. So I think I saw 15 minutes. Okay, I think it's 45 minutes. I saw something on 45 minutes. This is what I saw. So I then put my what entry here. Okay, yes, price to what buy from what from that area. So this was what like a 1 hour key level with confirmation. So I think I'm even saying much. Sorry, this video is going to be short because there was no. So what price what tested this place, and then what I enter from this what area, and again tested from this area. So what happened? So 22 pips. Then what target was around there. You can see as the market was ranging, really ranging. Market was really ranging. I was even thinking of what maybe close. Should I just close when I already put my stop loss as breaking ball? First time came here, came down. I was like maybe okay, price wants to come down, what trigger some place and go up. Only for me to see it coming up again, still come. I was like, I put my sell. My sell was around this area before this con came. My sell was sorry around this. Let me go on 15 minutes. I think I can see that went on 15 minutes. Good. I can see it went on 15 minutes. My sell was I pushed my sell. I put my sell that if it should come down, I don't want to be in the ball. I was like, no. Price can still what come to this all this area and test it. So I put myself back. So yes, I was expecting what price to what not come. I put myself that okay, price. I don't want to be in this because I was already even frustrated. The market was coming down, going up, and my TP was somewhere. My TP was here. So I was like, price may still come back and what come and test it. So I put myself and then so price came what eventually decided to what give it. So it's my trade. And thank God I didn't know this. I didn't really say much. Today what I really feel much is my emotion. Like why don't you just hit TP? And maybe it's because of what I know this trade if this trade is TP to give me my what's it called? I'll pass my phase one account. But I was like okay. That's why I didn't close. Unless I know that if it was a funded account or my personal account, I would have closed out that. No, I want to get out because I would have get frustrated when the price went down and later went up this again and I would have closed out. So I guess I learned a lot from it that I better just hold. If I don't have any valid reasons to close out, why should I close out? So this is what I just learned from this today. So moving on, we'll continue tomorrow. I didn't get my phase 2 account, so we'll continue tomorrow. And I realized this phase 1 I didn't perform well. Well, maybe it's because I'm just starting and I'm still learning along the way. So at least I didn't blow it. That is even more better. Because in this phase 1 I took 8 trade. 2 was TP, 2 8 TP, 3 I think 3 is break even and 4 is I took 8 trade. 2 is let me check. I think 2 is break even. Okay, 2 is break even, 2 is TP, 4 is SL. So I took 4 SL, 4 break even. I took 4 SL, 2 break even and 2 SL in this setup. So thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. Hopefully I grow, I get better with it. Thank you.